Okay, now is it okay now? Okay. Okay, so the angle whatever is being made at the center is twice the angle made at the circumference. That is circle theorem number 1. Okay, so now we'll prove it. So how we are going to prove it? Like, this is your circle, okay, and do you know the exterior angle theorem in a triangle? Okay, so like if this is your triangle like ABC, and if you extend this one, so this will be your exterior angle, okay, and this exterior angle will be equal to the sum of these two angles. Okay, that means this angle is equal to angle A plus angle. This is your exterior angle theorem. If you don't know that, just write it down because it will be used here. This is your exterior angle theorem. So the exterior angle is made is equal to the other two interior angles of the triangle. Okay, that is your exterior angle theorem. Okay, so if you see what we have to prove, we have to prove this one, that angle AOB is twice of angle ACB. Okay, so let us take, this is your Y angle, this is your Z angle. So your triangle AOC, just see in the triangle AOC. So AOC will be an isosceles triangle, isn't it? Because OA will be the radius, OC will also be the radius. So that will be an isosceles triangle. And what is the property of isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal, as well as the opposite angles are also equal. Okay, so opposite angle of OC is this one, so this will be Y also. Okay, in that will be the same case. So just see the triangle AOC. So what will be the exterior angle? Exterior angle will be this one, AOD. You take it D, so AOD will be your exterior angle. So angle AOD will be equal to Y plus Y. Okay, so by exterior angle theorem will be angle Y plus Y. Okay, by exterior angle property, exterior angle property of triangle, that by that property your angle AOD is equal to Y plus Y. Now angle DOB, now just see in the other triangle, that is BOC, in triangle BOC. So can you tell me what will be the exterior, what will be the this angle? Because this is an isosceles triangle again, BOC will also be an isosceles, that angle will be Z only. Okay, so what will be BOD? Angle BOD will be Z plus Z, so that is 2Y, that is okay. So the entire angle AOB is equal to angle AOD plus DOB, isn't it? AOD plus angle DOB. Just put the values. AOD is 2Y, BOD is 2Z, so twice is common, so it can be written as Y plus Z. And what is Y plus Z? Y plus Z is this one angle. So now we have proved that angle AOB is twice of angle, isn't it? Okay, that is very simple theorem. Note it down something. Okay, very nice. So we move forward. Okay, now this is another theorem, very important theorem. If you have same segment, angle subtended by an arc in the same segment of a circle are equal. Just I'll show you what is the meaning of this theorem. If you have a circle and let us say this is your arc, okay, or so this arc AB, this is your chord AB. This chord is making this angle, the circle. Okay, so let us say this is your x, and if this chord is making any angle is being made in the same segment, that will be, so your AB chord is making this angle also, that will also be x. Okay, if it will make another angle in the same segment, that is also be equal. If it is going to make this angle here, that is also be x. That is the meaning of this theorem. Okay, understood? Okay, so now getting the point. Now you can see here, this case, if this is your arc AB, AB is subtending an angle y, AB also subtending an angle x, AB is subtending an angle z. These three angles will be, okay. Okay, now it's your time to do questions. Now just make this figure. Make this figure on your notebook. Okay. Okay, just make this figure on your notebook. Now you have to find angle BCA. Find the angle BCA. This angle you have to find. Just use the theorem, whatever theorem we had studied. 40, right? 40 how? So like 50 plus 50. 180 minus 100 is 80. Yeah, so 80 by 2 will be 40 degrees. So you can use the first one theorem. By first theorem, it is 40 degree. Okay, is it simple? Okay, now just draw this figure. So you need to find angle ABD and BAC. ABD, yeah, this one, this angle you need to find it out. ABD, this one, and BAC, this one. See, this 62 is given to you. You just check which arc is making 62 angle. Which arc is making 62 degree? See, 62 is being made by BC, isn't? And what is the angle being, another angle being made by BC? This one BC is making this angle. So because it is the same arc making angle 62 and making angle A, that both angle will be equal. Okay. So that will be 62. Now use the same concept with 44. Who is making 44? AD. So your AD is making 44. Okay. So AD is also making that will also be 44 degree. Understood? Like this, you can find out the angles. Okay. So these two theorems can be used. Find out the angle. Now this is exercise 11. Can you find the answers? Very quickly you can go through it quickly. A moment. Out. This is exercise 11. A moment. Total questions are okay. What is your answer for the first question?
So I got
A is 27. Yeah, your answer is right.
in BS.
B is 30. Right. Very good. Which
C.
by which theorem? By which theorem? You have to write down which theorem you have find. Well, made by the same arc, same segment, or so you have to write the statement every time. Okay. Okay. Right. Very good. Now the second question.
Is 30.
C is 20.
But DS.
How you are getting C as
Because
yeah? C is 20 and D is 45. By which theorem? Okay. Now third one.
so I got DS 41.
Okay. DS 41. Yeah. Right.
40.
Okay. What D?
Is there C also?
Yeah, C is there.
I got C as 58, sir.
Yeah, 58, because the same arc is making 50.
But T as 30.
P is 30. Yeah, right.
Which question?
Do every question.
I do 6, sir.
Yeah, do it 6. Fifth you did. They're quite simple. Yeah, you can tell the answer very quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I got A as 32, sir.
A is 32. Yeah, right.
But B as 8.
Right.
It's 68, sir.
How it will be 68?
Because like I found the two lines, sir.
See, this 32 is being made by which arc? You name it. Let's say it is A. So the B arc is making 32° as well as this one. So that A will be 32 only, because this arc AB is making this angle. AB arc is making 32°. Is it? Okay. Now think about 25. Who is making 25? This arc BC. BC is making 25. And which angle? BC is also making this angle. Isn't? Okay. So 25 is being made by BC and BC is making which angle?
Take this one.
BC is not making any angle. Okay. Now we'll think about this 80. Who is making 80? The CD. CD is making 80 degree. Okay. And this CD is also making this B angle. Isn't? So that B will be 80 only. And just think about ADC triangle. In ADC triangle, C plus 32 plus 25 and this one 80, the combinedly it will be 180 because all angle sum of triangle is.
You get that?
Sorry, this ADC triangle. We are talking about ADC triangle. So in ADC triangle, you get 32 plus 25 plus 80 plus C equal to 180, isn't? So you can find out C also. 180 minus 80 minus 32 and plus 25 is how much? 57. So 180 minus 80 is 100. So 100 minus 57, which it is 43 degree. 43 degree. Okay. Like this you. Okay, now just go to 6th question. So not only your circle theorem concept will be used, concepts for triangle also you can use. Okay, and this is cyclic quadrilateral also. Can you see this is a quadrilateral and there is a theorem for cyclic quadrilateral that opposite angle sum of a cyclic quadrilateral makes 180. Okay, so if you have a quadrilateral like this, any quadrilateral like ABCD, so these opposite angle sum equal to 180 and it is valid for only cyclic quadrilateral, that all vertex of the quadrilateral must be lying on the circle. Okay, so your angle B plus angle D is 180 degree and these are opposite angles, so that angle A plus angle C 180. Okay,
Yes.
getting it? So you can also use this theorem also. Got it now?
Yes.
Very good.
I got access.
Access 34. Yeah, right.
I got Y also as there.
Right. Is Z.
Is that 40?
Yeah, you are right. No, right. Use the concept. You can take this triangle and just apply the triangle concept. You found Y also. Okay. See, 50, who is making 50? Who is making 50? 50 degree. 50 degree is being made by BD. BD is making what angle also? He is making this angle also. That will be 50 degree. Okay. And just see about 40. So CD is making 40. CD is making this angle.
So it's 24 then.
How it is 24?
So like y is right. So what is
No.
this?
Just find out x. X. What is the value of x? It is 34. So it is 34 degree. Just see in ACD triangle. ACD triangle. It is 40 degree. It is 34 degree. So 40 plus 34 is how much? 84? 74. 74 and 50. 74 and 50 is 124. So how much is left? Yeah, 180 minus 124. How much is left? Okay. So Z will be 56. It is 50. And even you can use the concept. Okay, it is not center. Okay. Okay, now do 7th question. Know the meaning of these two horizontal lines? Yeah, they are equal.
Is
43. Very quickly you found it. Yeah, right. You are absolutely right. Okay, now do it 9. 2.
A92.
Yeah, right. Very good. B is 42. Yeah, right. What is the region?
Angle at the circumference is full of
Circumference. Circumference is half.
circumference.
Angle being made at the center. By an arc. By an arc. It must be in the same segment. Okay, this you can see that chord AC is dividing this circle into 2 segments. So one is yeah,
So is D88?
D88. How you found it D88?
So like the two lines that make up 8, right? Lines make up.
It is being made at the center. Yeah, it will be 44. How much will be C?
sir.
Yeah, right. No, 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 no. D was 44.
Yeah, D is 40.
C. What is C?
44, sir.
No. How you made it 44? You have to have reason. Then only you can say something. You can't hit and try.
How do you find C, sir?
Can you see that OA and OB are radius? OA and OB will be the radius. That is C, so that will also be C. Isn't? C plus C plus 88 will be 180 degree.
Oh,
Yeah, it will be 46. Understood? Okay, now do 11th. As you go deeper and deeper, some high level questions will also be there. Okay. Just a moment. Take a call. Just write down the answers. हेलो
हेलो होगी क्लास
क्लास चल रही है
अच्छा कहाँ लग रही है अभी
आ जाओ, आ जाओ।
खाना क्या लेना दुकान सब्जी ले आऊं बनाने के लिए
खाना देख लो बना लो
हम्म
बना लो कुछ भी बना लो नहीं मीतू को मना कर दिया ना कह रही पापा रोज रोज ठीक
ठीक है
ओके सो
yeah. I got E as 98 and this one.
या राइट
E as 38.
G is 38 how
Because lines that make up G, they also make
it is being made at the center
half of
yeah it will be half this G is made at center
but it's
yeah center will be twice of this one that G will be
oh, yeah.
G will be 76 you have to check whether it is being made on the center or not okay yeah right are they interesting questions
Yeah.
okay so after this exercise you have to try it from the workbook
I got 52 for H.
52 for H talking about 12th one yeah it is 50 right okay very good can I ask you a question
Yes, sir.
what is the best way what is the way teaching you like it
You have a very innovative bridge, very
okay good and what do you think that I have to improve
not much sense.
okay because I take feedback from my students
You got X as 60.
X is talking about which
13.
13. X is not 49. Just
Yes, sir.
how you did it?
It was like go. Couple of
Yeah, definitely it will be double of 42. That will be 84. That will be 84. Okay. That will also be X because it will be an isosceles triangle. 48. Yeah, right. Okay. So all the concept, not only these concepts, all the concepts of geometry, whatever you have studied, it will be implemented. Okay. And they're very interesting if you have a deep knowledge. Geometry is very interesting. Okay. And don't hit and try. Don't hit and try until unless you have the solid region. Write down something, write down some statement. Okay. Because you will get everything wrong if you hit and try.
Results will be 8, sir. Why?
8 y. How it is 58?
It was 58. But 60 divided by 2. Plus
See, this is your center. If this is 58, that will also be 58. How much this one? 6. 64?
yes, 58 plus 58.
64. Because it is not looking like 60. Okay, very good.
Then I take 180 minus 1. Sorry, 180
See, BC is making 64 at the center and BC is making Y the segment. How much should be Y? Half of 64 is 32. Okay, only two concepts will be used. If this is being made at the center, angle, if just see, is it being made at the center? Okay,
so like straight line, right?
yeah,
Divide that by
yeah, it is a straight line, so you can find out this 116.
so like
Yeah,
angle
I also Also you can do it in that way also. See that OY, OD and OC are your radius. So that will be, don't tell it y is 32. So that will be 116. That will also be y. So y plus y is, sorry, y plus y plus 116, 180. So 2y is 64. So y will be 32. You can do it in either way. Okay. Concept will not be changed. Okay, now do 15th. Yeah, right. Axis 22. Good.
Good. Yes. Access.
X. No. Same mistake you're doing each and every time.
But it's like not square, right?
How much is A?
A is also
How?
34 and 8 line.
You can first you find out A. If this is A, that will also be A, because they are radius. Yeah, O is center.
But it's not.
Is center. $36, yeah. That will be 36. No, every time it is. O is the center. Okay. And I told you the this part also already. I told you the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. That means you add D plus B 180 plus C is also 180. Okay. Okay. So we need to give proof of this theorem. So how we are going to prove it? What we are doing? We just, yeah, we need to prove that x plus y is 180, isn't? So what we are doing, just joining A with O and O with C. Okay, AO is radius, OC is also radius. Okay, we have that this D angle is x, this D angle is y. Okay, so now angle made at the center, this angle is being made at the center, isn't? AOC is being made at the center. So how much it should be? Isn't?
Yes.
And this angle is also being made at the center by so that will be 2y.
Yes.
okay, because it is the reflex angle, okay, isn't?
Yes.
So if you add these 2x plus y, how much you get it? 360. Because, and how much is x plus y? Just divide it by 2, get it x plus y as 180. Now it is proved.
Yes.
Okay, got it now? Okay, very good. Now this is your D theorem. Theorem D says if angle is being made by diameter, if angle is being made by diameter, it is definitely 90. Okay, so you have a triangle like this. This is your diameter. If you make any angle with this diameter, it will be 90 degrees. Got it? Your next theorem. Okay.
Yes.
Till now we have studied 4 theorems and its proof is not there in your. Okay. Now this is your example. Can you do this question? Is it visible? Should I zoom it?
Visible. So A is 9.
A is 19. Okay, very good. What is x? X is 60 degree. Yeah, right. Very good. Okay, because 2x plus x will be 3x. So 3x will be 180. So x will be a, and the sum of a plus 81 will be, that a will be 9. Okay. Now this is another example. Can you find out b? As it is passing through center, so it is a diameter definitely. 53. Yes, because this is definitely 90 degree. Yeah, very good. Now this is your exercise 12. Okay, just go through it, find out the answer.
A is.
Are you enjoying the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Is.
Okay, right. $75, you're right.
D. Sorry, no, wait. For 84.
84. Don't be in hurry here.
No, I got it was 90.
Yeah, right. Good.
X is.
Yeah, right.
Y is.
Y is 116, right?
is C
Yeah, C is 60.
is D 5.
D 45, right?
So is H 37, sir.
Yeah, right. 7.
Is 8.
You're right.
So is E 36.
Again doing the same mistake. Yeah, E is 36.
F 22.
Yeah, right. 72.
Is Y 50.
5. Okay, you're talking about 8th question. Why is not 50? Why is not? How you are approaching this question? Okay, 40.
Yes. It is the C.
Because it is an isosceles triangle.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So C is 1.
100. How it is?
Plus is 80.
If this angle is x, this angle is x, 2x plus 40 will be 180. What is x? X is 140. X will be 70. Okay.
So how do you know like 140 and the other one? The other one.
Because it is given. These two lines are same. It is an isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle have opposite angles. Okay. So now this becomes 70. This is 70.
Oh, 70.
Becomes 70. Okay.
Yes.
And in similar fashion, this is an isosceles triangle. So that will also be y. Okay.
But 35, right?
Yeah, it is 35. As you learning theorems, so 2 or 3 or 4 theorems may be implemented in the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
As you go deeper and deeper, you will see difficult questions. If you are good in concept, then you can solve the question. Okay, now do question. Yeah. Now this time it is diameter.
So is it 18, sir?
Yeah, 18 degree, right?
Answer this question.
Okay. Yeah. So you can do questions from your book also. Okay.
Yes.
So just try it from your book. If you want to try it from my book also, I can send you the PDF. Okay. These are some questions. I think, is it not in your syllabus, tangent to circles?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so we'll see it in the next class for whatever remaining topic, the cumulative frequency. Okay.
Yes.
And it is good. It is good if you're sending me topics in advance. Okay. Today we didn't waste any time. Just started. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay then. Bye bye. See you.